Hi, Christina.
Oh, hi, Joe.
Did you go to school yesterday?
Yes.
What did the teacher teach yesterday?
Oh, a very interesting story narrated by the teacher.
Which one?
Macbeth.
Oh dear, I missed.
Oh, so sad.
I have some urgent work, so I could not come yesterday and today.
Oh, I see.
Can you tell me what will happen at school tomorrow, please?
Oh, yeah, tomorrow is an art and craft activity.
Oh wow, see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye, Joe. Hey, so this is the conversation between two children, Christy and Joe. Can you guess what will be our today's topic? Yeah, tenses. Christy and Joe talks about past, present, and future. The teacher told a very interesting story that is past. Their present conversation is present. And the art and craft activity which will be held on tomorrow is future tense. Now let us read about tenses.
Now, let us start with present tense. Okay? So, what is present tense? A tense expressing an action that is currently going on or habitually performed, or a state that currently or generally exists. Underline the word currently. So, जो वर्क आपका currently हो रहा है वो होता है आपका present tense. The present tense is mainly classified into four parts: simple present, present perfect, present continuous, and present perfect continuous. So, what is our first topic? Present indefinite tense. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now. Underline the word right now. जो वर्क आपका right now हो रहा है, और when it happen regularly, regularly और अनसीजिंगली. अनसीजिंगली मीन्स भी आपका होता है रेगुलर वर्क, यानी कि निरंतर जो आपका चल रहा है, विच इज़ वाई इट्स समटाइम्स कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट. समटाइम्स हम इसे प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस कहते हैं. राइट नाउ हैपनिंग, राइट नाउ जो वर्क आपका राइट नाउ हो रहा है. चलिए रूल देखते हैं. फॉर एफर्मेटिव सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एस और ई एस प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सिंपली जो आपका ता है, ती है, लास्ट में आता है, वो आपका होता है प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. सिंगुलर, व्हेन वी यूज सिंगुलर वी यूज सिंपली सब्जेक्ट वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म एंड एस और ई एस. एस और ई एस विथ सिंगुलर्स. ओके, लाइक ही गोज टू स्कूल, रिंकू राइट्स अ लेटर. एंड फॉर प्लूरल we remove s or es. Subject first form of verb plus object. Remove s or es with plural form, like they go to school. For negative we use do not and does not. Subject plus do does plus not, first form of verb plus object. For singular we use does not, and for plural we use do not. For example, they do not go to school. They is plural, that's why we put up here do not. And for singular, we use does not. He does not write a letter. We remove do and does not with the use of never. जब भी आप never का use कीजिए तो वहाँ से do not and does not का use हटा दीजिए. जैसे he never speaks the truth, we never speaks the truth. जब भी ही की बात होगी तो सेम आप देखिए एस और ई एस आपने ज्वाइन किया, वी के साथ एस ई एस आपने रिमूव कर दिया. सेम सिंपल एफर्मेटिव यूज करिए एंड रिमूव डू नॉट एंड डज नॉट विद द यूज ऑफ नेवर. एंड फॉर इंटेरोगेटिव डू डज प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. डू यू नो मी, डज ही नो यू. The next one is remove do and does with the use of who. जब भी who का यूज कीजिए do and does not को remove कर दिए, like who says so. Our next tense is continuous, present continuous tense. We use the present continuous to talk about action happening now. Underline the word action happening now. या continuous, जो आपका वर्क continuously हो रहा है वो आपका होता है continuous. Subject, what is the rule here? Subject is MR, verb की first form के साथ ing plus object. See the rules. For affirmative, we are going. Negative, you are not going. Put up not plus interrogative, are you going? So simply is MR, verb आपकी लगेगी. Is for singular, are for plural and am for I. I के साथ am, singular के साथ is, plural के साथ are. Now next is, yes, sorry, for example, I am singing, he is singing, he is not singing. Okay, is he singing? Next one is perfect tense. The present perfect is used to indicate a link between the present and the past. So what is perfect tense? Perfect tense is the link between present and the past. The time of the action is before now but not specific. Time आपका specific नहीं होता है. And we are often more interested in the result than in the action itself. And what is the rule? Subject, has, have, third form of the verb plus object. Has for singular and have for plural. Singular के साथ has, plural के साथ have. For example, farmer has gone to the field. For negative, farmer had not gone to the field. For interrogative, has farmer gone to the field. अभी आपको यही have का यूज़ करना होता. तो we have gone to the field, we have not gone to the field, have we gone to the field. Next one is present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous tense, also known as present perfect progressive tense, shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. The present perfect continuous is formed using the construction has, have, been plus the present participle root form of ing. ये आपका perfect, present perfect and continuous का mingle form होता है. Okay, subject has, have, been plus first form of verb ing, since and for, time and object. Remember, since कब लगता है आपका? When the time is specific, जब आपका टाइम निश्चित हो. जैसे कि हमने बोला 2 o'clock या मंडे या ट्यूसडे, सो वहाँ पे हम since का यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर का यूज़, फॉर लाइक 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 years, 4 years, जहाँ पे आपका कोई टाइम निश्चित नहीं होगा, स्पेसिफिक नहीं होगा. जब व्हेन द टाइम इज़ नॉट स्पेसिफिक वी यूज़ फॉर एंड व्हेन द टाइम इज़ स्पेसिफिक वी यूज़ सिंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे आपने एग्जाम्पल बोल दिया कि फार्मर हैज़ बीन प्लकिंग द फील्ड सिंस 2 o'clock. Farmer has been plucking the field for 2 hours. 2 o'clock की बात किया हमने तो since लगाया, एंड जब हमने बात की 2 hours की तो हमने for लगाया.